In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Asana integration in Slack. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Asana connected to your Slack workspace so tasks and updates can flow right into your channels, saving you time and keeping your team aligned. First, open Slack and look at the left sidebar. Find the Admin section and click it. If you don't see Admin, you may not have the necessary permissions in your workspace, so ask a workspace owner or admin to follow these steps. Inside Admin, select Apps and Workflows. This is the central place where you discover, approve, and manage integrations for your Slack workspace. Once you're in Apps and Workflows, head to the Recommended Apps area. This is a curated list that often includes the most trusted and widely used tools. In the search bar there, type Asana. You should see the official Asana app appear. Click it to open the app's details page, where you can quickly confirm you've got the correct app and review what it connects and what permissions it will request. On the Asana app page, click Install. You'll be prompted to select Add to Slack. This begins the connection process between Slack and Asana. Follow the prompts you see on screen. You'll be directed to log into Asana if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you use the Asana account that matches the workspace or organization you plan to connect, especially if you manage multiple Asana spaces. When the permission screen appears, review what the integration can access, then click to allow the requested permissions. These permissions let Asana post updates in Slack and let Slack send actions back to Asana, like creating or updating tasks from messages. After you grant access, Slack will finalize the setup. You may see a confirmation message or a quick onboarding note in Slack indicating that Asana has been added. That's all there is to it. At this point, the integration is installed and ready for your team to use. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you didn't find admin or apps and workflows, you likely need an admin to install the integration on your behalf. If you switched between Slack workspaces, double-check you installed Asana in the correct one. And if you ever need to adjust or remove the integration, you can return to Apps and Workflows to manage it from the same place you installed it. You've successfully installed the Asana integration in Slack, making it easier to keep projects moving without leaving your conversations.